Dance with the rhythm of culture. Behold the country's dance variety, performed by a class with exceptional talent. Be captivated by the students' spectacular movements and skills as they showcase the Philippines' diverse tradition. Come and sway with us at Bellevue Hotel Alabang on the third night of March 2011. Let your thirst of culture be quenched. Brought to you by Class 2T4, Batch 2013.